I tell someone to remove plums because I want to make dry this one to make it prunes para hindi masayang. Ang dami. Ayan o, sumayad na sa ano, sa yero. Ang dami. Masarap ito pag ano na dry na yung prunes ba. At saka mahal din siguro ang kilo nito, yung prunes. Kasi ano, ginugol ko Google ko ano mahal. And then yung dried apricots din mahal. Ang dami oh. Ida-dry ko bukas. May na-dry na ako isang tray. Kaya damihan ko ang pag-dry. Kisa naman masayang, mabubulok lang. Mahuhulog lang. Punta tayo doon. Dito tayo daan. Lloyd din na plum. Plum. To remove plums because I want to make dry this one to make it prunes para hindi masayang. Ang dami. Ayan o, sumayad na sa ano, sa yero. Ang dami. Masarap ito pag na dry na yung prunes ba. At saka mahal din siguro ang kilo nito, yung prunes. Kasi ginugol ko Google ko mahal. And then yung dried apricots din mahal. Ang dami oh. Ida-dry ko bukas. May na-dry na ako isang tray. Kaya damihan ko ang pag-dry. Kisa naman masayang, mabubulok lang. Mahuhulog lang. Punta tayo doon. Dito tayo daan. Lloyd din na plum. Plum. Ayan o. Start tayong manguha. Ito yung maganda para sa i-dry to make prunes. Ayan. Lagay ko dito. Ay. Ayan, ang dami oh. Maganda ito kasi fresh talaga na harvest. Walang hindi nahulog. Super dami, ang dami. Yan. Yan. Akyat tayo dito sa sa yero. Ay, dito na ako sa yero. Oh. Ayan, oo. Oh. Ha? Sumayad oh. Kunin natin lahat oh. Ang lalaki. Very big. Mashallah. Asyanti ka wa. Hmm? Ayan, oh. Bali kayo dito, mag-harvest tayo ng plums. Oh. I-dry natin. Baka kung sino yung gustong bibili pag na ano na bilad na ibenta ko. Oh, ayan dito, dami. Dito ako sa pumatong sa sa yero. Kaya makikita mo dito sa loob-loob, ang dami. Oh. Oh. Grabe. Ang dami, oh. Ayan, puno na itong shopper of. Aywan ko ilang kilo ito. Ay, tayo. Ayan, malapit tayo dito. Oh. Marami pa ito. Ito lahat yung aking ida-dry bukas. Oh. Siguro mga 5 kilos ito. Pakine. Yan yung puno. Diyan kami umakyat. Ito yung isa na doon sa yero. Pumatong kami sa yero. Ayun, dinala na. Sabi ko dalhin niya sa taas kasi mabigat. Siguro mga almost more than 5 kilogram mabigat. May problema ako sa sa muscle pain dito sa aking braso. Kaya sabi ko dalhin niya doon sa taas para bukas i-dry ko ito. These are all I get for today with 2 boys with me, fresh from the tree. Hindi ito nahulog. So ito yung maganda na gawin prawns, i-dry. Ayan, dami oh. Siguro mga ito, ang bigat eh. Ang bigat. Mga 10 kilogram siguro ito oh. Ayan, malalaki pa. Yan. Ito yung the best na gawing prawns i-dried kasi hindi masyado ripe, hindi masyado hinog. Yung lang half ripe and half unripe. Kasi kung overripe ay mahirap i-dry ba. So ito yung maganda. So bukas ko na ito hugasan ko muna ito ng 2-3 beses and then slice ko and then i-dry. Kasi na hapon na 5 PM na. 5 PM na kaya hindi na pwede. Bukas ko na lang ito umpisahan na ida-dry. Kasi hapon na. Pero kaninang umaga nag-try na akong nag-dry oh. Ayan, isang tray. Kaninang umaga ito. So ito bukas yung aking i-dry. Mahal ito pag na-dry yung prawns ba, kayo na lang mag-search kung magkano ang kilo ng dried plums o kaya prawns. So ito lahat yung aming kinuha, yung 2 kasama ko na lalaki na dito sa kapitbahay namin. So ito ang dami oh, ang bigat. Ang bigat siguro mga 10 kilogram ito. Oh yan. So ilagay natin ito sa para makita natin kung kaano kadami. And then ah, ano ito huhugasan ko tapos ano ida-dry ko. Slice ko tapos ida-dry. So we'll put here all slowly para hindi masira. Ayan. Dami oh. Dami. Fresh ito from the tree. Ayan. So this is very nice to make dry to become prawns. I don't know how much 1 kilo this one in other countries or in supermarket. I'm sure this is expensive kind of fruits. Ayan, dami oh. So I will wash now this one and then I will start to make drying first. Wash and then slice it to become prawns. Now we have to wash this one first. I did not put all this one, so I have more here. First, I will wash this one and then slice and make dry first because this is too much. Fresh from the tree ito, so this is not dirty, so must be we have to wash also before before sliced and dry. Now we'll start now to cut. I already washed it. So this one must be we have to remove it like that. What is possible to remove must be removed. Then we have to slice like this, like that. And no need to remove the seeds. It can be dry. And these seeds, they are they are putting in biryani masala. So Filipina wife, Pakistani wife, they know this one. This biryani masala, they mix with this plums, dried plums with seeds. So like that we cut. You can also cut like this. You see this one must be removed. Like that. Now 1 tree here and I separate also this one. So if you want to cut also like this, you can cut also like that. It depends upon you how you slice it. As long it will become dry to become prawns. So these are I make dry for today. Yesterday I also make dry one tray. So I separate this one and this one. And I make like this only whole plum to make dry. And this one I trim it. And I have to dry more half of this shopper. And this is example seed of plums, but you cannot broke this one, not unlike this seeds of apricots. You can broke it and inside apricot like this. So this seed of plum is no, you cannot broke this one. So I'm going now to make dry this one outside, over there outside, which I dried before this apricots, as you can see over there. And that is one tray of plum I dry yesterday. So these are trays of plums I dried today, and also this one, and this yesterday. So today is June 23 and today is Monday. Time check Pakistan time is 10:30. After my premiere, I start already to slice and make dry this one. Yan. Oh. So today is not good climate. It's cloudy, but inshallah tomorrow it's a sunny day. If good climate and it's sunny, then it's easy to become dry. This one, 2 or 3 days it will become dried. So this one also, apricots, it's already dried it. Yan, oh. Ayan, may konti pa na ano, before 2 to 3 days I make dry. And fruits of apricots is already finished. So these are all I dried, and these are seeds.